Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable OK Google on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings, and now right here we have to scroll down and find Google option right here. Now next we have to open all services, and here we have to choose Search, Assistant and Voice. Now here we have to open Google Assistant to open Google Assistant settings. And now firstly, before we enable OK Google, we have to make sure that we have our Google Assistant turned on. So now we have to click on this option right here, Hey Google and Voice Match. And to activate Hey Google, we have to just click on this button. Next we have to click Agree, Agree again, Next, and that's it. Hey Google is now ready. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!